This problem here comes from the lecture notes for Unit 10. This is question number 5. And the question, if you don't have it in front of you, reads, how many grams of zinc phosphate, so I'm looking for grams of that guy, can be obtained by reacting 25 milliliters of 3.0 molar zinc acetate, so that's that, 25 milliliters, and the concentration is 3.0 molar, with excess sodium phosphate. So I don't need to worry about how much of the sodium phosphate I have plenty. So how many grams of zinc phosphate can be produced by reacting 25 mils of 3.0 molar zinc acetate with excess sodium phosphate? So like any stoichiometry problem, from this information I need to find moles of zinc acetate. Moles of zinc acetate is going to have some sort of numerical relationship with moles of zinc phosphate, and then I can convert moles of zinc phosphate to grams of zinc phosphate. So the first thing I need to do is balance this equation. So there are 3 zincs and just 1 zinc. There are 2 phosphates on the product and 1 phosphate on the reactant. So I'm going to go 3 and 2, and then that gives me 6 acetates and 6 sodiums. So that guy's good, but this needs a 6 on it, which didn't really matter because it's not going to affect my calculations. Now, from milliliters and concentration, can I find how many moles? Well, let's remember that molarity equals moles per liter. So yeah, I can multiply concentration times the volume in liters, and that will give me moles. So I need to convert 25 milliliters to liters. So 25 milliliters times it's 1 liter per 1,000 milliliters. So that means I have 0.025 liters of this solution. So then to get moles of zinc acetate, it is going to be 3.0 molar solution times 0.025 liters, and that will give me 0.075 moles of zinc acetate times, and then I can go straight to my answer because it's going to be 1 mole of zinc phosphate for every 3 moles of zinc acetate times, and then 1 mole of our zinc phosphate has a particular mass, and I think if we go to the periodic table and add that up, it comes out to be 386.118 grams per mole. And then so multiplying across 0.75 divided by 3 times 386.11 gives us 9.65295 grams of zinc phosphate. But that's nonsense. That's way too many sig figs. So I look back to my original problem, and 25 mils, 2, 3.0, 2. So I'm going to round this guy to 2 sig figs, and my answer is going to be 9.7 grams of zinc phosphate can be obtained. So there's a solutions stoichiometry problem.